Improving your IELTS listening skills is crucial for success in the exam. Here are some tips to enhance your listening abilities. Number 1. Practice regularly. Listen to a variety of English materials regularly, such as podcasts, news, movies, and TV shows. This will expose you to different accents and speaking styles. Number 2. IELTS practice tests. Take official IELTS practice tests to familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions in the listening section. This will help you understand the test structure and timing. Number 3. Note-taking skills. Develop effective note-taking techniques. Practice writing down key points, keywords, and numbers while listening. This will help you remember and identify answers during the test. Number 4. Predict the answers. Anticipate what the speaker might say next based on the context. This can help you stay ahead and catch important information during the listening passages. Number 5. Focus on specific information. Concentrate on the specific information being asked for in each question. This will prevent you from getting distracted by irrelevant details. Number 6. Understand different English accents. Expose yourself to various English accents by listening to speakers from different English-speaking countries. This will help you understand a wide range of accents encountered in the IELTS listening test. Number 7. Improve vocabulary. Enhance your English vocabulary, especially in common IELTS topics. This will make it easier for you to understand spoken words and phrases. Number 8. Listen without reading. Occasionally practice listening without looking at the written questions. This simulates exam conditions and helps improve your ability to understand spoken English without relying on visual aids. Number 9. Listen for signal words. Pay attention to signal words that indicate the speaker is about to provide important information. These words can help you identify when to focus and gather the relevant details. Number 10. Use transcripts. Practice with IELTS listening transcripts available in official IELTS preparation materials. This allows you to check your answers and understand the correct responses. Remember, consistent practice and exposure to diverse English materials are key to improving your IELTS listening skills. Additionally, simulate exam conditions during your practice sessions to build confidence and familiarity with the test environment. Subscribe to the channel for free IELTS training. Thank you for watching the video.